Item 305. Salvaging, hauling, and stockpiling reclaimable asphalt pavement. 1. Description. Salvage, haul, and stockpile existing asphalt material. 2. Construction. Remove dirt, raised pavement markings, and other debris, as directed. Remove the reclaimable asphalt material as shown on the plans or as directed. Ensure that 95% of the reclaimed material passes a 2 inches sieve unless otherwise shown on the plans. Do not contaminate asphalt material during its removal, transportation, or storage. Repair remaining pavement that is damaged by the removal operations. Provide a clean, smooth, and well-drained stockpile area free of trash, weeds, and grass. Separate different types or quality of asphalt material into different stockpiles as directed. Stockpile material as shown on the plans or as directed. The department retains ownership of the reclaimed asphalt material unless otherwise shown on the plans. The plans or the engineer may allow or require the use of salvaged material for other items in the contract. Stockpile the salvaged material at the location shown on the plans or as directed if not used in other construction items of this contract. 3. Measurement. This item will be measured by the cubic yard of material calculated by the average end area method in the stockpile, or the square yard in its original position. 4. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for salvaging, hauling, and stockpiling reclaimable asphalt pavement for cubic yard measurement, and for salvaging, hauling, and stockpiling reclaimable asphalt pavement, depth specified, for square yard measurement. This price is full compensation for cleaning and removing existing pavement, stockpile area preparation, loading, crushing, or breaking, hauling, and stockpiling material, and material, equipment, labor, tools, supplies, and incidentals.